Okay, this is going to be a quick video. I just took this off the smoker. I didn't do the video on it. I guess I probably should have done a video. Anyways, this is a quick chunk of meat I bought at the store earlier. A rib roast. It's got one bone in it. I'm going to cut this bone off now. So it's easier to trim up. Oh, it's already trimmed a little bit. Okay. Must have been cut a little bit at the butcher shop. I didn't realize it was already started there. But that's that. Now let's see if I can cut into this a little. I don't know the best way to do this. Guess I'll cut it like this. I do like this. That looks pretty good. I don't know about you, but yeah, let me try a taste of this. Let me grab a fork here. I cooked this on the smoker for about 2 hours. Try a taste here. Yeah, that's pretty good. I ain't hating that. Good smoked rib roast. One bone. It's only like a 3-pounder, so this is just, I'll just eat all this here in a minute. But there it is. I don't know if you see all the juice in there. This comes right out. I let it rest for about 20 minutes after I took it off the grill. It was, like I said, hickory smoke, 2 hours, about 3 pounds. And there you go. I used my Dragon Breath flamethrower to put a sear on the outside. It didn't really need it, but I wanted to. It would have been a good video. But anyways, there you go. Nice chunk of rib roast. Kind of like prime rib almost. Looks good. All right, see you later.